前と全く同じセリフにカラス。何が知りたい？最後ではないが聞いてやる。最後にあんたに聞きたいことがある。そう言ったんだよ、クソ野郎。お前が回覧すれば俺を含め3人目、もう一人の車輪ガンと。なぜそんなことを気にする？俺の死に様か。
その方に勝ち目はない。
やっても見ねえでわかるかよ。見た目で判断すると足元救われるぞ。
人類という種のためか。世が壊してやる。そして与えよう。平等とは言えぬまでも理不尽な差のない世界を。
早めにやっちまった方がいい。
その方が世と交わすことが叶うの。
お互い大変だな。
What is going on, Dogs Gang? Okay, how are we doing, guests? Alright, we have a new camera angle, and let me know what you guys think, because I'm kind of liking it. The reason why I did it, obviously, as you can tell behind me, whatever I choose to put behind me, I'm trying to use a green screen, okay? I kind of want to use it when I put it in my videos. I feel like it takes up a lot of space, and it's just like that big black box in the top right corner. And I feel like if I just, you know, use the green screen, one, it'll get out of the way, and there'll be more of the screen you can see, and two, the videos are gonna be a lot more interesting. And as you know, we've already turned up the content with the, you know, green screen, so let's just put it to full use. Let's use it, just take out all of it. Let's take advantage of this green screen and let's, you know, do it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing this angle a lot more. I don't know, I kind of like it. I just think it's good. Today, guys, we are going to be doing a new Gunna type beat, okay? But yes, I know some of you might like it, some of you might not. We're going back to the anime realm. I don't care, I love anime, so that's what we gonna do. Oh, and of course, I forgot to plug in the microphone. So yes, guys, we are going back to the anime realm, and today we are going to sample what I think is a pretty overrated anime, and a lot of people will disagree with me. We're gonna sample Hunter x Hunter. Yeah, I know, it's one of the greatest anime of all time. Oh my god, whatever. But I do have characters that I like, okay? And one of my favorite characters in the anime is Hisoka. That dude is fire. His powers are pretty cool, and the way he fights is pretty cool. And he also has a very, very cool theme song, okay? And I'm gonna let you guys hear that in a minute. But yeah, we're just gonna sample that. Hopefully I can make something out of it. But yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Or what the, what? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to join the Discord, and yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so I think I have them in my sample folder. Is it? There we go. Anime samples. All right, this is what it is. All right, this is what the sample sounds like. Okay. I don't want to play it all because, you know, the copyright claiming and all that stuff, but let's just get to work. I'm gonna go ahead and get the sample going, okay? All right, you know what? For now, we're gonna use these two, the ones that I just found, all right? So this one, and then the main one, which is this one. Yeah, so there's that one. All right, so I'm just gonna, first of all, I need to stretch these to the proper location. I really hope it still sounds good. I really need this to sound good. I can just pitch it up, right? Or wait. Let me undo that real quick because I kind of want it to be natural. So I'm just gonna turn up the, what's it called?
2,000 years later.
Let's go to the drums, guys. I don't need to go crazy with this. Let's go to the drums.
Okay, this is kind of loud, so we're gonna turn this down. All right, and then I'm gonna copy this over because I don't feel like making this too complicated. Oh my God, I forgot to EQ this. Hold on a second.
A few moments later.
Let's add a 808. All right, let's get this 808. Ooh, we need to cut this. We need to cut that. Ooh. Okay, it's almost there, guys. It is almost there. We're getting somewhere. Don't get it. We're getting somewhere. All right. The sounds are not there, but like the clap, I'm not sure about that. But I do want to clap though. I do want to clap because I feel like a clap is more natural than a snare. It's more like goes with the vibe. You know what I'm saying? So let's get a nice clap, please. Can we find one? Ooh, wait. This one's kind of cool. Hold up. All right, we need a kick. Go back to that Pierre kit. Let's look for a nice kick. These are some pretty good kicks. Nah, you know what? Never mind. I don't want to use that kick. I'm gonna use my regular good old TM88 rack kick. Let me see what this other one's gonna sound like. Oh, this one's kind of fire. Hold up. I think we got something, guys. Hold on. Let me. Oh, no. This one is better. This one's better. Hold up. Ooh. Oh, God, guys. Oh, my God. Okay, guys, look. I know I'm all over the place right now, okay? So, things we need to do, okay? Need to work on the 808 pattern a little bit. Then I'm going to go over to the hi-hats, okay? Then maybe add a snare. Okay, because I kind of want a snare. I want to make it even more trappy. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to do. This sounds like a comethazine type beat. I don't even know. It's not even Gunna. All right, we got the snare. We got the 808 pattern a little bit better. I might even go back to 808 pattern a little bit. But now it is time, guys. It is now time to hit up the hi-hats. So let's do that. Let's just hit up the hi-hats real quick, okay? So I'm just gonna do my, you know what I'm saying, my thing with these things. Oh, no, I didn't say do that. Hold up, hold up. I'm about to be the best anime producer of all time, guys. Just wait on it. Guys, before my brain explodes and before this computer starts to burst into flames, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lay this out, all right? I do want to use that other sample, like the other part, the one, like I think it's this one. I kind of want to use that. Let me see if I can blend in real quick. All right, guys. I think I'm done there. Okay. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Don't forget to also join the Discord. Okay, it's always going down in the Discord. It's popping in the Discord. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for getting it to the end if you did. And I need to stop talking. And